I hesitated for just a moment, my finger hovering over the mouse, but curiosity won. I clicked on the post, my heart racing. That post led me down a rabbit hole of possibilities, each thread unraveling new ideas and opportunities, igniting a spark of hope I hadn't felt in months. This is the story of how one desperate 30-year-old used free AI tools to build a $15,000 a month business. And exactly how you can do it too. Chapter 1. The $0 Brainstorm. Day 1. I had no ideas. No skills. Just ChatGPT and desperation. So I typed, starting an online business doesn't have to break the bank. By combining free AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Pictory, and Shopify, you can unlock incredible opportunities. Here are 10 low-cost ideas. By leveraging these tools, aspiring entrepreneurs can create unique products, streamline their operations, and engage customers effectively. Embrace the potential of AI to transform your ideas into a successful online venture, proving that creativity and innovation can thrive even with limited resources. The game changer? Idea number 7. Printable wall art for niche hobbies. I tested it fast. Asked in 3D printing forums, would you buy stylish blueprints? Got 52, hell yes, replies in 2 hours. That night, Print Perfect was born. Chapter 2. Building the brand. Through trial and error, I had unlocked a new avenue of creativity. No longer was I just another beginner, fumbling through complex software. I had harnessed tools that amplified my ideas. The combination of visuals and sound propelled my message further than I could have imagined, paving the way for my upcoming projects to reach even more people and inspire innovation. After my initial struggles, everything changed. After a few tweaks, my vision finally crystallized. With a growing audience, I felt inspired to explore new possibilities. Engaging content flowed naturally, and I began to dream bigger. The 3D printing safety script was just the beginning. My journey had sparked a desire to connect deeper and share my unique perspective with the world. Chapter 3. The 297 launch. As the sunlight broke through my window, I couldn't shake the adrenaline from that moment. My phone buzzed relentlessly. Notifications from Shopify flooded in. Each sound echoed my disbelief as I read, another sale and then another. With every click, my dreams danced closer to reality, painting a path I never dared imagine before. Then came the terror, hitting publish. I muttered to myself, a bead of sweat forming on my brow. The weight of the decision felt monumental, my heartbeat quickening with each second as I took a deep breath and pressed the button, hoping for the best. The journey had only just begun, and with each sale I could feel the fire igniting within me, pushing me to strive harder and dream bigger. My vision of success was no longer distant. It was right here, unfolding before my very eyes. Chapter 4. Accidental virality. The sudden surge of attention was exhilarating yet overwhelming. As notifications flooded in, I quickly realized I needed to adapt. My art had become part of a trending moment, and I was determined to seize the opportunity without losing control. I drafted emails to my new customers expressing gratitude. I turned to ChatGPT once more, eager to brainstorm fresh ideas that could captivate my audience further. With newfound determination, I launched my mistakes bundle, showcasing the beauty and flaws. This collection allowed me to connect with my audience on a deeper level, proving that perfection isn't necessary for art to resonate. The response was tremendous, and my creativity flourished, igniting a new path. Chapter 5. The automation breakthrough. The late nights spent endlessly managing orders faded into memory as I realized the power of these tools. I could focus on creativity and design while the automated processes handled the mundane tasks. It felt like a weight lifted off my shoulders. I was finally free to innovate. Life transformed. I marveled at the efficiency. Automating my workflow opened new avenues, allowing me to explore my artistic side. Each morning, I awoke to a thriving business, orders processed seamlessly overnight. Excitement built. As my brand expanded, I envisioned new designs and products. With the newfound freedom, I could dive deeper into my passions, crafting unique pieces that resonated with my customers. Embracing automation was not just a strategic move, It was a revolution that redefined my work-life balance and ignited my creative spirit. Final chapter, your turn. In the world of entrepreneurship, success often requires the perfect blend of passion and technology. By leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT, you can uncover unique business ideas that align with your interests. Picture yourself creating stunning visuals through Midjourney or engaging videos with Pictory. The potential to transform your creative pursuits into a profitable venture is right at your fingertips, inviting you to embark on a journey filled with innovation and growth. What are you waiting for? Start your adventure now. Your journey begins with a simple comment, sharing what you love most. With the right knowledge and support, your dreams can become a reality, opening doors to new possibilities and financial freedom. Embrace your passion, utilize the tools available, and take the leap towards building your AI-driven business today. The future is bright, and it's waiting for you to seize it.